Hi children, today we are going to continue our chapter 4 with exercise 6. So exercise 6 is going to be the last exercise under chapter 4. So here we are going to see with the concept how to do multiplication with a 2-digit number with another 2-digit number with the concept of with regrouping. That is, when 2-digit number is multiplied with another 2-digit number, you will get a carry forward. So that time how to proceed with the numbers. So I am going to start with the place values, ones, tens. Okay, so first I am going to write 37 into 25. The first set of number 37, 7. So leave some gap here. 3 into 25. So 5 in ones place, 2 in tens place. So as if I told you in previous video, first we will start with the ones place. So in ones place we have 5. So this 5 has to be multiplied with the above number, ones place value 7 and then tens place value 3. So 5 into 7, that is 5 sevens are. What is the value you will get in 5 table? 5 sevens are. You are going to tell me the answer. Just tell me what is 5 sevens are. 5 sevens are gives 35. 5 sevens are 35. So since 35 is a 2-digit number, so which is the ones place value here? 5 is the ones place. So straight to the ones place I am writing 5. And this 3 tens place has to be carried forward to the next place value of ones place, tens. Under tens, this 3 has to be written and give a box. Okay. So now this ones place is given in the answer. This tens place is carried forward to the next place value of tens place. Now multiplication of ones is over. 5 into 7 gives 35. So next 5 into 3. Ones place after followed is tens place, no? 5 into 3. What is 5 threes are? What is 5 threes are? 5 threes are 15. So before writing 15, I should check is there any carry forward. If there is any carry forward, what we have to do with that value? 15 plus. What we have to do? We should do plus with this 3. What is 15 plus 3? 15 plus 3 gives, add and tell me. 15 plus 3, 18. So what to do with this 18? Even this 18 is a 2-digit number, right? So this ones place, 8 we have to write here. And this tens place, what we have to do? We have to do carry forward, no? For that we have to check whether you have any number here. Do you have any number? No. So that you can directly write that 1 next to the 8. So that falls under the hundreds place. Okay. So since you don't have any number in the hundreds place, we are not writing in the carry forward. We are directly writing in the answer. Okay. And that is treated as hundreds place. Okay. So now ones place value multiplication is over. Okay. Now before going to the tens place, now we have to do multiplication with tens place. Before moving to the tens place, what we have to do? This is ones column, right? Ones row. Next is tens row, no? So before writing to the tens row, what we have to do in the ones place? In ones place, we have to give 0. After giving 0 in the ones place only, we should move to the multiplication of tens place. So now 2 into 7. Okay. 2 into 7. That is 2 sevens are. What is 2 sevens are? No 2 tables. Tell me 2 into 7 gives 14. 2 sevens are 14. Again this 14 is a 2-digit number. So 4 is ones place. I have to write here and then this 1 has to be carried forward, no? So already I have carried forward 3 here. Just write that and write next to that 1. Okay, so if you just give one cross to this, already you have carry forward and you have added that. To not to get confused, you can just give a cross to that number and you can write the new carry forward 1 here in the tens place. So now after multiplying 2 into 7 gives 14, 4 has written here in the tens place and 1 is being carried forward to the next place value of tens place. Now 2 into 3. Ones place is over and then tens place we have to multiply, no? So 2 into 3. What is 2 3s are? 2 3s are 6. So that 6 has to be added. With what value? The carry forward value, no? 1. So what is 6 plus 1? 7. Yes? 6 plus 1? 7. 2 into 3 gives 6. 6 plus 1, you will get 7. Okay? So here I am giving dash and these 2 rows has to be done with addition. So 185 plus 740. So again I have to do addition from the ones place. 5 plus 0 gives 5. Any number added with 0 will get the same value. So now 8 plus 4. What is 8 plus 4? Add and tell me. 8 plus 4 gives 12. So 12 is a 2-digit number. 2 falls under ones place and 1 is a tens place. I have to take as a carry forward. So this one is taken to the next place value and I have given as a carry forward. So now 1 plus 1. So this one and this one should be added. 1 plus 1, 2. So that 2 plus 7. So what is 2 plus 7? 9. So your answer is 925. So be careful when you do the multiplication with ones. After completing the ones with ones, tens, if you have any number in hundreds also, you just carry forward. When you do carry forward, make sure that you are adding with that value. Don't forget, without adding you cannot write the answer here. Okay? I hope you have understood. Thank you.